Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see another healthy and delicious fish recipe, and it's shoal fish curry, commonly known as mudfish or snakehead fish or snakehead murrel. And today we will make this healthy fish curry with spinach and radish. That makes this recipe delicious and so good to enjoy during the winters with some hot steamed rice. So let's get started with the making process. And here I have taken 6 cut pieces of shoal fish, and now I will season them with some salt as per taste and some turmeric powder. We'll now rub the salt and turmeric powder on both the sides of the fish pieces, and we will let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And to make the curry, I will use radish. You can use either the red or white radish, whichever is available with you. First, we'll trim both the ends and then peel off the skin. So peeling is done, and now we will slice the radish into semicircle shape of medium thickness. And in the same way, I will slice the other radish also. So slicing of the radish is done, and now we'll transfer this to a bowl. Next, I will slice 2 medium-sized potatoes into this shape and size. And this also goes into the bowl. And now I will slightly boil them in a pressure cooker by adding some water and half teaspoon of salt until they are slightly soft and tender. And here I have taken some spinach which has been cleaned and washed. And now I will roughly chop them in this way. Well, during the winters, we love to enjoy shoal fish cooked with radish and spinach, as the combination of the ingredients not just enhances the taste but also makes it so very healthy. Alright, preparation to make the curry has been done, and now let's start with the cooking process. For that, I've already heated some mustard oil in a kadhai, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the shoal fish seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. We'll keep the flame on medium, and after about 1 minute we'll flip the fish pieces and we'll fry them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. And by now the shoal fish, or whole mass as we call in Assamese, are fried well, so we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same kadhai I will add a teaspoon of Panch furan, comprising of cumin seeds or zira, fennel or sauf, fenugreek or methi, mustard seeds or rye, and kala jeera or black cumin. We'll let this crackle for a while, and now into this we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame we will fry them well until the raw taste goes away and they turn brown in color. So by now the onion, ginger, garlic has been fried well. At this stage we will add the chopped spinach. And on low to medium flame we will saute the spinach for 1 to 2 minutes until they start to wilt. And once the spinach melts down, we will now add into this the boiled potatoes and radish slices. We'll saute the boiled vegetables along with the spinach and onion, ginger, garlic for a minute or so. And now we will season the veggies with some salt as per taste, little bit of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch, and along with that goes 2 green chilies or as per your spice level. And now we will mix all these spices well along with the veggies. so that they are well combined. Keep the flame on low to medium. And once the spices are well incorporated with the veggies, we'll add some water to form a curry-like consistency. We'll mix this once and let the curry come to a boil. And as the curry starts to boil, we'll add into it the fried shoal fish pieces one by one. And now we will cover and let the fish simmer in the curry for about 6 to 8 minutes on medium flame. It's almost 8 minutes. Let's check the fish curry now. The consistency of the curry is just perfect to enjoy with some hot steamed rice. And just before serving, we'll garnish it with some coriander leaves or cilantro. That's it. Our whole mass or shoal fish with spinach and radish is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy as well as delicious shoal fish curry recipe, which is so good to enjoy with some steamed rice. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.